Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Gamer111 and today we are about to go fishing. Where again?
Squaw Run Park.
Squaw Run Park in Fox Chapel. So let's go. There are all the fishing rods. And let's go. It looks nice outside. I've actually never filmed outside with the GoPro. I really haven't. Okay, here we go. Let's get it. Oh, crush my foot into this. Yeah. We're here, there's the pond. Probably can't see it, we'll see it. Alright, here we are at the pond. How does it look?
Wet.
And muddy as well.
Yep.
Of course it looks wet, it's water. It's nice out here. Yes, it's in the middle of a playground. Well, we are moving locations because there's nothing really over here. We're gonna go over by the giant rock over there. And yeah, it might be. Here is the creek. Oh, that was so much fun. I've been down here before, like in the water. I've got a lot of cuts, but I'm fine. I was fine. I like it down there. It's pretty fun. Well, we made it. We have to watch out for these trees.
How do you like them shades?
Or this tree. How do you like them shades? Yeah.
You know, it's funny though.
What?
When you put these on over your glasses, you can see inside the water.
Whoa!
You like it?
It's so cool, yeah. I can't really see it now. Chatterbait does, yeah, you might have heard it. That took forever, but I still didn't catch anything. That was a time lapse. Caught something! Just started. What is that?
Largemouth.
Largemouth bass? Oh my god! Yeah, hold it up. I'll take a picture with the GoPro. I'll get it. By the way, that was a chatterbait. Now I have Bastum. I'm just dropping it to see how it sounds. That last one was on accident. I don't think you can see anything, but there's stuff on the lens. Right there. Are these shapes let you see underwater more? Polarized. I don't think you could see anything, but I can definitely. That's really cool. So these actually make the water look clean, even though you can see it's not that clean. And it's really cool. And the front of this GoPro, this part, the screen on the front next to the lens, there's rainbow on it. I see pink, I see green, I see blue, I see orange, I see yellow, I don't see red. That's a bummer, but okay. Vouch for it. Alright, we are doing one more underwater thing. So, here, wait, where do I put it underwater? I'll put it.
I'll bring it right by.
It's It's gonna be loud. First of all, we got that stick. Yay! That's fun. Another stick. I'll put it right here. So much weed on this. The weeds, there's no actual weed on it. But here it is one more time. We heard it that time. I think you could hear it at the end. I think so. Yeah, because I heard. That might be the whopper. What's it called again? Whopper plopper. And what makes it like?
Tail spins around.
Yeah, show them that when it comes in. There it is. It's coming. But you heard that sound under the water, I think. So what makes that sound?
The tail.
The tail of this thing. That. The thing that spins. That thing that spins around. Yeah. You caught a tree pounder again. I got it, tree. 3. Oh. Ow. I feel like I got a cut on there. I'm done fishing for the whole entire day. You're probably gonna fish for like 10 more minutes, maybe. Now I'm gonna get thirsty. We might like try and drop the GoPro and like someone catches it, maybe. I'll drop it and I'll catch it myself. Just like that. That's what it's gonna feel like, or you catch it like that. And you might slide it down a slide. It'll be fun. Yeah. Well, we are done fishing. So yeah. How does my hair look? It is actually like really hot in here. Probably because it's been sitting in the sun. Because there's no more sun. That's back there.
You want to go to the store and get something to drink now?
Yeah.
Skipping the playground until next time?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll do the GoPro drop thing next time.
I wouldn't do a GoPro drop.
True, we already dropped it, but like on the ground. And yeah, that's all I need to say. Alright, we are at Gecko and we're just gonna get some stuff and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I filmed enough today. We got Doritos, or maybe our Doritos because it's a medium bag. Oh, thank you. And my Gatorade. I've never had this kind of bottle. But yes, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. If you want to see the last video, click up there. If you want to see a random video, click up there. See you guys in the next video. Peace out!